Good morning, Akshita. In our yesterday's class, one second, I'll close the windows and come back. Yeah. In our yesterday's class, we completed irrational numbers. All the 20 questions are done. Another 3 questions are remaining, which I said I will be giving you as homework. Today I will surely do that. And now I am starting 8th class R.D. Sharma practice for you. 8th class R.D. Sharma practice. So one chapter after another, we have a lot of time. One chapter, chapter by chapter, we'll solve many problems. So what is my idea? Initially to start with chapter called powers. And then we will go to the next chapter, squares and square roots, cubes and cube roots, algebraic expressions and identities, factorization. All these important chapters we are going to do practice of questions, which is thoroughly required for you. Fine. Now I am going to the example questions. Okay, so I am starting the chapter powers. That's nothing but exponents. We can also call it as exponents. One second, I think it will be struck up. Yeah. So first of all, we have laws of exponents. Exponents is nothing but powers, Akshita. Laws of exponents. What all laws we have? Could you remember them? You should. If not, actually, let's revise right now. The first one is a power m into a power n is nothing but a power m plus n. Second one, a power m divided by a power n is nothing but a power m minus n. Third one, a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. Next, fourth one, ab whole power n is equal to a power n into b power n. Fifth one, a by b whole power n is equal to a power n by b power n. Sixth one, these are something simple. A power 1 is equal to a, it's a known thing. A power 0 is equal to 1. This is something important. So these are the laws of exponents. Fine, clear, right? So with this knowledge, we are going ahead to solve many problems, which will give you a lot of experience. There are also something more laws are there other than this 6. Actually, one more is there. In the solving of questions, we'll understand that. Okay. One second. Let me see the good questions. Yeah, such all are good questions. Okay, that also we'll discuss it right now, Akshita. The another law, that is 7th one. We can call it as a negative power. What happens if we give negative power to a number? Like you have a power minus 2. Okay. Then how to write it? Generally, children make the mistake by writing it as minus a square. That's absolutely wrong. No. Whenever there is negative in the power, first of all write as 1 by, and then remove the negative. 1 by a square. It's nothing but inverse of a square. So the law is a power minus n will become 1 by a power n. So these things, all these 7 laws must be very much clearly known to you. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n, a power m by a power n. So these all things you should know it very clearly, Akshita. Now we are going into the problems. So I am also giving the reference number example 1, so that in our next class we can continue from the same question. Example 1. Express following in P by Q form. So first of all, they have given 5 power minus 3. Second one, they have given minus 2 power minus 5. Third one, they have given 4 by 3 power minus 3. Okay, write down the question. We will do it right now. Okay. 5 power minus 3, Akshita. Just now told you should write it as 1 by 5 power 3. Nothing but 1 by 5 cube is nothing but 125. This is the answer for the first bit. Clear? Second one, minus 2 power minus 5. So without thinking anything, just put 1 by minus 2 power 5. Clear? Don't worry, inside minus is there. No. Sir, bracket power minus 5 na? So 1 by bracket power 5. Don't worry what is there inside the bracket. Now you have to see it. If you multiply minus 2 5 times, what you will be getting? See carefully. You will get again minus, and 2 power 5 is 32. So you will be getting 1 by minus 32. You should never leave the minus in denominator. So write it as minus 1 by 32. Is that clear? Now the next question, 4 by 3 power minus 3. Again, don't worry about what is there inside the bracket. Immediately write down 1 by 4 by 3 power 3. Okay. Now that's nothing but 1 by a by b whole cube is a cube by b cube. Therefore 4 cube by 3 cube. So that you can write it as 1 divided by 4 cube is 64. 3 cube is 27. So when the fraction you wanted to invert it, then you can write it as 1 into 27 by 64. So answer is 27 by 64. I think this should be very much clear for you. Let me see once recording is happening properly. Yes, recording is happening. So these are the first 3 questions of the example 1. Okay, I am going for the next 3 questions. Fourth one, minus 2 by 5 power minus 4, and fifth one is the last question of this first example, 1 by 2 power minus 3. Never fear by seeing any question. Question should fear by seeing you. Okay, minus 2 by 5 power minus 4. Fine. So how you will do this? This is nothing but 1 by minus 2 by 5 power 4. Am I right? This can be written as 1 by minus 2 power 4 by 5 power 4. 1 by, if you multiply minus number 4 times, you will get positive. 2 power 4 is 16. Divided by 5 power 4 is 625. Okay. When you wanted to take the fraction to numerator, then it will become inverted. 625 divided by 16. Is this clear? See, you can do one thing, Akshita. If you wanted to try these problems on your own, please pause my video, try it, and after a few minutes my answer will be coming on screen. Now verify with that answer. Very simple. Like that, you can, just pause the video and you try on your own and check your ability. So now next question is 1 by not 2 cube, 1 by 2 power minus 3. So 1 divided by 2 power minus 3. That's nothing but 1 by 2 cube. Is that clear? See, my reason of putting this as a big line, this as a small line is so that you will get high clarity, which is the actual numerator and actual denominator. In this question, this is denominator, whole thing, and this is numerator. So not to get confused. Now that's nothing but 1 divided by 1 by 8. Now if you wanted to invert it, you will have 8 by 1. Answer is nothing but 8. Is that clear? With this, we have completed example 1. Okay. Now we are going for example 2. Example 2 is, again write each of the following in P by Q form. Two questions are given here, Akshita. The first one is 3 by 8 power minus 2 into 4 by 5 power minus 3. Don't get fear by seeing the question, nothing is there in that. Second question is minus 2 by 7 power minus 4 into minus 7 by 5 power 2. Okay, so one question we are going to do it right now. 3 by 8 power minus 2 into 4 by 5 power minus 3 na. So what we are going to do is 3 by 8 power minus 2 is 1 divided by, see, I wanted to write neatly, 1 divided by 3 by 8 power 2 into 1 divided by 4 by 5 power 3. Is this clear? Now next, that is nothing but 1 divided by 3 by 8 whole, 3 square by 8 square, 3 square is 9, 8 square is 64 into 1 divided by 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. See, when you have a by b whole cube, sir, according to our law we can write it as a cube by b cube, so no problem in that. So now this fraction is going to get inverted, 64 by 9 into 125 by 64. If you see carefully, 64 get cancels. Your final answer is going to be 125 by 9. Is that clear? Now, if you see the second question, this is also same to same. 1 divided by minus 2 by 7 power 4 into 1 divided by, hey, no, why 1 divided by? It's not required because it is a positive power. So minus 7 whole square by 5 square, that's it. We just give the power to each of the numerator and denominator. Here it's going to become, since minus number, if you multiply 4 times, it is going to become 16, and 7 power 4, I don't know how much it is. 7 power 4 is 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 na. So I am writing it as 49 into 49. Okay, just for comfort, 16 by 49 into 49 into minus 7 whole square. If you square a negative number, you will get again positive. 49 by 5 square is 25. So now it is going to be a very big number. So when you invert this, 49 into 49 by 16 into 49 by 25. So 49, if you multiply 3 times, what is that thing you are going to get? (49) into 49 into 49, 117,649 divided by 16 into 25. Very simple calculation, 400. So this is such a big answer for this. Let me once see recording is happening properly. Yeah, Akshita. So now these questions are might be complex for you to understand, but if you write it step by step neatly like this, you'll finally arrive at the correct answer without any doubt. Okay. Fine, I think till here it is very easy to understand. Now we are going for example 4. You might be having a doubt, sir, what about example 3? That's easy, you can do it. Some of the questions we have to skip if we have to complete all chapter questions. Not only all chapter questions, all chapters also. Not only this chapter, remaining all chapters also we are going to do thorough practice of all the questions. Now example 4, you have to simplify each of the things. There are 4 questions. The first question I am writing it here, that is 2 power minus 1 divided by 5 power minus 1 whole square into minus 5 by 8 power minus 1. This is the question. 2 power minus 1 divided by minus 5 power 2 power minus 1 divided by 5 power minus 1 whole square into minus 5 by 8 power minus 1. Slowly we will do this question without any confusion. See here, 2 power minus 1 means 1 by 2, and in between there is a division symbol. 5 power minus 1 means 1 by 5, correct? Whole square is there. Let's first simplify only up to this part. Now that is going to be 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 5. When you want to bring that fraction to numerator, it will become 5 by 1 whole square. That's going to be 5 by 2 whole square, that is 25 divided by 4. Akshita, this is only answer for the first part, not even first part, up to here itself. Now we are going to move ahead, that is, so 25 by 4 you got na, into what else is there here, minus 5 by 8 power minus 1. So that's going to be 25 by 4 into, since it is power minus 1 divided by minus 5 by 8, that's equal to 25 by 4 into, the whole fraction will get inverted. You should not put minus to the denominator, you should put it to the numerator. So minus 8 by 5. 5 cancels 25 5 times, 4 cancels 2 times. So what is your answer is 5 into minus 2, that is going to be minus 10. This is the answer for first question. Is that clear? Okay. Now Akshita, I wanted to give the homework. I'll write it on the screen. Let me bring my textbook. Please note down this question. Yeah, some of the questions we missed, so that questions we are going to do here. Take down the homework. Think the questions which we missed are Hmm. 14th question. Write 0.3 bar in P by Q form. And then we missed 16th question. Write 23.43 bar in P by Q form. One more question we missed, that is 18th question. Value of 0.23 bar plus 0.22 bar. So these are the 3 questions we missed from the total 20 questions. So these 3 questions I wanted to give it as homework to you. Thank you very much, Akshita. Bye bye.